The next rule in noun is there are certain nouns: scenery, information, poetry, hair, furniture, language, advice, business, mischief, bread. These are the some of the nouns which are used in singular only. They are neither pluralized nor preceded by article. So we have to remember, learn these all nouns. Let us see the error in it. The sceneries of Kashmir are very charming. So sceneries should be scenery. Second thing, are, it should be replaced by is. So this is a correct usage. So in sentences, the errors will be put like the scenery of Kashmir are very enchanting. So we have to consider scenery as singular. Let us see the next sentence. They gave me informations about his character. So here also informations is given, which is wrong. So it should be many piece of information. So we cannot put S here. Third sentence, his hairs are white. So here's an R. So his hair is white. So we cannot pluralize this. Let us go to the next rule. Again, we have certain nouns. The nouns are news, innings, mathematics, economics, physics. They are the some nouns which, though plural in form, they are used in singular. So it looks as if they are plural, but they are used in singular. No news are good news. So here R is wrong. So it should have been is. No news is good news. So whenever you see mathematics, mathematics is a singular subject. So is economics, it is again a singular subject. Physics, physics is again a subject. So they are used in singular only, although there is S. Okay, the next rule: deer, sheep, fish, pies, apparatus, yoke. Again, these are the some nouns which have the same form in singular and plural. Let us see the example. Sheep live in flocks. So here sheep is again wrong. So it should be sheep. Then here are two pies for the beggar. It should be pies. So it is correct. So we have to see that the different nouns, whether we have to keep them in singular or in plural. The next error. Now we have another nouns: cattle, poultry, people, gentry, peasantry, artillery, infantry, clergy, offspring, police, progeny, prey, company, swine, alphabet. They are some of the collective nouns which, though singular in form, they are always used as plurals. For example, let us take the sentences. Whose are these kettles? So kettles is again wrong. So it should be kettle. Kettle itself is plural. Another sentence. There are no gentries in this town. So gentries again is wrong. It should be gentry. Who are those peoples? So again peoples is wrong. It should be people. For example, there are many people in Europe. So here the word people, there are many people in Europe. It means people here stand for nations. So if we want to be good at error detections, you have to follow the rules we have just discussed. You have to see where the noun in the sentence is there and what is a possible error is there. Whether it should be followed by a singular verb or plural verb, and so is the pronoun. Thank you.